Are you interested in helping others to achieve clarity, purpose, and growth in their lives? This life coaching course is designed to provide you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to become a successful and impactful life coach. You'll begin by clearly understanding life coaching, the history and importance of life coaching in guiding individuals toward transformation. Next, you'll learn the essential coaching skills such as active listening, asking powerful questions, setting meaningful goals, planning actions, and offering constructive feedback. You'll also explore how to establish your brand and position yourself in the coaching industry. This course will also guide you through practical techniques for working with clients. You'll also get answers to the most common questions new coaches face. Moreover, you'll learn proven coaching models like Grow, Oscar, Clear, and Fuel, which provide structure and clarity for impactful coaching sessions. Finally, you'll know about many areas where life coaching can be applied, including career, relationships, health and wellness, and business or executive coaching. Start your journey today and support others through the transformative power of coaching. Enroll now.